Hello, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. Back at Chainsaw Wall again. And there's some really good ones here today. Quite a variety, a very mixed bag. Anyway, just come down from Crystal Palace. As per usual, not feeling perfect, although I'm not bad. But we're gonna swap it round, and wow, there's some surprising stuff here. Anyway, I'm gonna switch it round and we'll take a look. There's some that I haven't seen for quite a while, and there's one from West London, a very special one. Daniel, post-traumatic stress disorder. There's some little ones here as well. Not sure what they are, but zoom out, of course. Chem, that's what it looks like. And this stuff here, look, TB. That style never changes, and that's Trev. Trev is a very unusual character. Wears a bobble hat and basically very fluffy outfit. I'm sure he's disabled like me, and he's the one that tried to one-handedly clean up the whole of Anerley ruined sports centre. Trev. So I've not seen Trev for quite some time. Daniel. Problem is, even zoomed out, it's not enough, but there's one here that, my God, used to see it at Anerley some time back, but they were never this complicated. Zubat, and I've not seen Zubat for a long time. Look at this. Well, at least I think it is. I might be wrong. Oh no, it is. Look at the bottom right. Zubat. Yeah, like I said, used to see that at the ruined sports centre at Anerley. And I've never seen one that complicated by that artist. And look at this one. Oh my God. Hems. H-E-M-S. Look at that one. Oh my God. You can tell that this is a favoured wall. Wow. And then next to it we got Demo. One of the demos, not Demo, Visar, used to be under the railway bridges. Look at that, Demo. Wow. Chainsaw Wall's almost off the flipping charts this time. And again we got Trev TB, Make, that Zubat again. Can see that autumn is here now, fall is here, and all the little bits are falling off of this hornbeam. And I think we saw this last time, I'm not sure. Fault. Zubat. Trev TB. Demo. Look at that. I think they used to go around with Assume as well, but it was Zubat Demo, and look at that. Hems. That is just incredible, that one. HEMS Hems. Zubat and Daniel. Wow. 4 high quality pieces. And 2 of them are off the scale pretty much. So that's what that is at the end. It's Hem. They're filled throwies from Hems, basically. No, it is Hems. Wow. There's some good stuff at Chainsaw Wall today. I've still got to get the bus back to... Well, I'm supposed to get more kitty litter for Meckity cat and the kittens, but it's just I get so delayed. I don't wake up early, and luckily I've got some to feed them in the morning, but it's after midday now. I need to get more cat litter, but the problem is it just takes too long to get anywhere these days. Oh, we'll switch it round again, take another look. Really good stuff. But it won't be long before this wall starts sweating up. But this is really good for high-end collaborations, because it's just so smooth. The writers love it, but the shadows from above can be a bit annoying. Daniel. Zubat, not seen that one for quite a while. Hems. And Demo. Wow. Amazing stuff. Really amazing stuff. And the floor's littered with stuff. It looks different all the time, doesn't it? Wait till the leaves start coming down in November, it will turn yellow. But I think we're going to end it there. If you want to take another look at some of the pieces, just stop the video and go back. But there's 4 really nice pieces here today, and 2 of them are a little bit higher again, you know, but they're all really nice. Sometimes chainsaw walls like that, you'll get some nice pieces on it. Anyway, gonna make a move now. Still got a little something to do, and then I've got to try and get to Meckity cat in Addiscombe. I'd like to think I've managed to get some kitty litter, but I've taken too much time today. By the time I've got out of bed, gone somewhere to eat, and then on the way back it's just so flipping late. We'll catch you on the next video. Chainsaw Wall, over and out.